What is up, everyone? This is Seth with Pagemaker, and today I'm going to be showing you something super cool. So if you sell products, if you own an e-com store, then you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to be revealing a super simple funnel that we've been using on our agency side to help direct-to-consumer brands convert. Now, what you're going to look at was built directly into Pagemaker. It's incredibly simple to do, and we give you all the templates to do it. Before I begin on the product page, I want to jump into the top of the funnel, which is the advertorial. Now, for many of you that don't know what an advertorial is, I got to rewind it back. An advertorial is an ad that promotes your product through the style of an editorial. Its strength is in its disguise. Readers who are reading through your editorial believe they're reading an objective content piece. But rest assured, inside that content, tucked in call to actions or whatever media you're using, are products being promoted. And to give you a super good idea of what an advertorial looks like, this is an old school advertorial, and I wanted to show you this exact cigarette brand because it's ludicrous. You wouldn't think this would survive in 2022, but back in the day, this is what you would see turning into a magazine. And what it is, it's selling a product based on more doctors smoke Camels than any other cigarette. And this type of advertorial would have readers read through it. They would read through the facts and the numbers. This is just the first page. There's a number of pages attached to this. And throughout all that content, the Camel brand is being promoted. And essentially, that is what an advertorial is. So for this funnel, we are selling a deodorant, and that deodorant is a natural deodorant. And the angle here is we're going to be saying, use our natural deodorant because there's a lot of toxic material that are in other deodorants. Now, it's super important that you do not abuse advertorials. Unfortunately, there are a lot of industries that do because of how credible and how trustworthy they can appear. It almost seems like you're in a magazine or on an online blog, but it's super important that everything you do is backed by actual facts. So in this article, as aggressive as it is, here we're saying that your deodorant may be causing you health problems. It's backed by facts. The study is listed below, and that's the angle we want to go with. So if you're running traffic, you could be A/B testing, you could be running to your product page, your homepage, or even to your advertorial. And I bet you the click-through rate on this advertorial, that traffic will go to the checkout and convert higher than any other page. Anyone that clicks through an advertorial is more likely to go through the whole funnel and checkout. So what you're looking at now is the advertorial I created on Pagemaker. It was super simple to do. We give you the template and you just plug in the content. And in short, what it does is it first wants to talk about something serious. So we're saying watch out. And then we're explaining that majority of the leading market brands that sell deodorants are using these toxic materials that carry carcinogens. We're talking about aluminum and all these other chemicals. But in between all of this text and educating the customer, you see we have call to actions. We have the sticky call to action on the right. And then in between the text and the paragraphs, we have banner boxes. And this is the strength of an advertorial. It also looks stunning in mobile. Everything was done in mobile first. So when you're going through on mobile, which I've done on my phone as well, it looks absolutely amazing. And the cool thing about it is that when you're setting your traffic through and users do click through, they then get set onto your product page. And this is the product page that I also designed and developed in Pagemaker. This is where they'll take action. So now that they've read the horrors of using these dirty, toxic-ridden deodorants, they now want something natural. They're going to click through, they're going to land on this page, you're going to have a beautiful call to action, and when they click on that view product, they're then going to be sold. Now, the reason I have bundles here is because a lot of affiliate marketers that we work with, especially affiliate marketers, they're always looking to increase AOV. So having a bundle, if you sell a single SKU, is smart. Buy one, buy three, buy six. and it's just a great way to reimagine your marketing assets. Advertorials can be used on its own. They can be used in conjunction to a product page. You could even have them click through to the cart page on your advertorial if you plug in the product. It's totally up to you. It's super versatile. So that's how it is, and that's how it works, is the user will land onto the advertorial. Let me just head back there. They'll read through it. They'll click through. And this whole time, you're pixeling everything they're doing. They'll click on View Product. And as soon as they click on that Get 3 bottles, you could lead them to wherever you want. If you're using Shopify, if you're using the WooCommerce, you could use permalinks. And keep in mind, very soon, within the next 60 days, we're going to be adding native payments. So you'll even be able to take payments on your Pagemaker page. For any of you that have any questions about this funnel or our e-commerce features, please sign up. We have a free lifetime plan, and you get to test Pagemaker before ever financially committing. There's absolutely no risk. And every single week, we're coming out with powerful landing page templates and features for you to power your business more. I appreciate you watching this video. And if you do have any questions, again, hit us up, join, it's free. And we look forward to welcoming you onto Pagemaker. Have a great day.